Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you another amazing housing project, and the best thing about these apartments, they are very affordable and they are not expensive. I am sure like in Pakistan you cannot find the apartment with this kind of prices and with this kind of nature and view. I am 100% sure. So one more very important thing, in this project there are almost like 7 properties left. So if you want to buy an apartment in an affordable price in Turkey, don't miss this option because the prices can change within a month, within a week. So that's why it's very important. If you want to buy some property in this kind of project, don't delay. Come see for yourself. We are in Kocaeli region of Kocaeli, and today I am with my friend Mr. Hakan, like always.
Selamünaleyküm everybody. I hope you are doing well.
Yeah, together we will explain you everything about this project.
And when I consider the specification of the property, we are such a well-organized small boutique compound. We have 2,666 square meters project area. On this 2,666 square meters project area, there are 2 blocks and 24 regular flats are available, but you should hurry up. There are only just 7 properties on the left for this compound. So before getting started, I want to show the all around us
The green nature.
all around us, surrounded by beautiful green nature of the Kocaeli. We are just 10 minutes far away from here to city center of Kocaeli, and you can realize that section also belongs to the compound. This is brand new, not used properties. Management of the compound is not ready, but in close future all that kind of things will be organized. You can see the sitting places and children playground also available. And one more good thing about this property is you don't need to park your vehicle at outside. There are outdoor and indoor parking lots are available. Also indoor parking, and each property has indoor parking lot section inside the property. And we have just one style regular flats, which is our including 125 square meters with 3 rooms, 2 WCs and 1 bathroom. All of them are the regular flat, and some properties has the sea view too. So let's discover the inside of the property together. Am I right, brother Yasir?
Yes, and also the quality of the weather is very good here. We are on a little high position. I can feel the fresh air. Let's begin the house tour.
Let's start. Haydi bismillah. This is the entrance section of the A building. There are A1 building and A2. There are totally 2 blocks are available, and I want to show the entrance section of the block. There are some artistic details are available. LED design, LED lighting system, spot lighting systems are available, and of course lift is available. Each block contains elevator inside it. Now we are gonna have a look a sample property on 4th floor, which is including 125 square meters regular flat. Let's discover that beautiful property together. I'm repeating again. According to specification, price is very affordable. I know you are asking me about that range prices like 50,000 US dollars, 60,000 US dollars. If you are serious to buy, directly contact with us. Okay, this is the entrance section of the property, and when I look to the left section, there is a Turkish style WC is available. You can change that WC also as European style, and there are totally 3 rooms, 1 living rooms, 2 WCs and 1 bathroom.
So this is the first.
This is the room for kids.
Yeah, and look at the view. I mean, each room has this sea view.
Yeah, in front of us is looking for the Green Valley. After the Green Valley, beautiful blue Marmara Sea is welcoming us. Okay,
Yeah.
continue.
This place is really very peaceful.
Voila, even the price is pretty good.
Reasonable. They are
For instance, we are selling the properties like 3 rooms plus 1 with more than 1 million Turkish liras. Also, they are using the same
kind
door.
of quality.
Voila. And I'm not exaggerating. Vario door is pretty good, and when I shake it, it's heavy. It's not empty. It's not light. Mashallah. Doors are good.
Yes. And also, I guess in the walls
And also,
they have
why I came
insulation.
over here? You know, I'm the potential client. Maybe I can buy this property. It seems so affordable. Now, when we reach the section, where is it, brother?
This is another kid's room in the house, and also I was trying to make sure these houses have insulation in the walls.
Of course,
Yes.
because these are brand new. These are not used properties. These are brand new according to new regulation. Putting the insulation for the building is an obligation according to Turkish law. And when I look the heating system of the property is working with the natural gas system. Advantage of this property is not all of them are including the combi boiler device. This one is including combi boiler device. You are gonna see it. And when I looked in common areas, I can say that good quality granites were used for the ground floor. And this section is such a important. This is my idea. Yeah, washing machine places. Yes. If I buy this property, I put a big cabinet. Also, I put the washing machine over here. On the washing machine, I can put the drying machine, and I can separate that area for the dressing cabinet for the clothes.
Yeah, clothes, and even you can put your shoes when you're
Yes.
coming inside the house. So this is a good useful area.
There is a audio devices available. In that way, you can check who's your visitors. You can open door or not open door, something like that. So let's keep continue our tour. I think This is another room for kids, and all rooms has clear
Sea view, and it's really beautiful. Like you just wake up in the morning and you can have a complete Marmara sea view. Hakan Abi has mentioned first we are looking for a valley view. After this we have complete Marmara sea view, and after that even if still you can see there are mountains.
Yeah, and also we are so close the beach of the Başiskele. From here to beach of Başiskele around takes 6 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that. Okay, when we reach this section, common bathroom of the property is welcoming us. You can see that some cabinets, and I know this is not up-to-date design, but when I look the quality of the granite ceramics for the bathroom, again good quality materials were used. And one of the good things which is available in even some brand new properties don't have that kind of details. Very important for the bathrooms. The air channel is very important. Otherwise, if there is no air channel inside the bathroom, the property can be damaged because of the not water, humidity.
Yes.
Yeah, humidity. And mashallah, voila,
The quality is really good. These properties are on the market with very reasonable price.
definitely.
And for the prices, you should check the description of the video because prices can change. That's why we always mention the updated prices in the description of the video.
Please check it out.
So now we are in the kitchen section of this property. So you can see for yourself.
I will be objective in this case too.
Yeah.
Şimdi this is granite. Normally we are presenting the very luxury properties. This is such a medium quality. Chimstone material is much more better that countertop, but expect this when I look the kitchen cabinets acrylic style material were used is okay, that's good, but I didn't like the granite. If I buy that property, I directly change that countertop. Otherwise, the ceramics for the panel is pretty good, and you can see the nature pipe for the natural gas. Stovetop is working with the natural gas. There is the we call that kind of kitchen as ankastre. You are gonna put your oven over here, stove top, and exhaust places separated. And right over here is the washing machine place, and refrigerator place is available over here. When I look the size of the kitchen, actually when I consider the whole proportion, size of the property used very smart. And
it's not small.
It's like not small, and it is pretty enough.
And also the highness, you can check the highness is really good. And whenever we come in such properties which have high ceilings, they look big. And it looks like we have more room. And wallah, the kitchen is really big. You can put
television satellite system already. These things are small details but important details. For instance, at my home right now, I don't on my balcony there is no sink, but over here there is a sink. Here's the sink, and these kind of things are very useful. And look at that beautiful views, amazing.
Mashallah, we are just inside the nature. On your left side, and it's like when you are here there is no sound, nobody.
I was mentioning, do you hear any vehicle voice?
No vehicle voice. So we are away, we are not so much away from the city center. It's like 7 minutes away from the city center, and even the mosque, the school, everything is near.
There are too many people asking about this. Is there any schools? In Turkey, especially in city of Kocaeli, each region has its own central. What does it mean? Hospitals, schools, public services are available. And also Kocaeli has one of the strongest local administration in the city. And one more good thing about the location of the city, we are so close to Istanbul. It is just 40 minutes, 35 minutes from here to Sabiha Gökçen International Airport. And come over here, see that beauties by yourself. But as I mentioned before, these are such a good hunts. If you are serious to buy, I'm not making this decision. Of course, it's nasib. You should hurry up for catching these opportunities, because prices for this property still very affordable.
Because the market is changing daily, on daily basis, on weekly basis.
Because of the current
that dollar.
Let me tell you one story. I made a deal with a villa from Sapanca. Yesterday we were okay for 1,700,000 Turkish liras. But landlord is taking the reference point as 189,000 Turkish liras. Just passed over the one day. Today, the worth of the property is reached the 1,730,000 Turkish liras.
So make your decision fast, guys. If you want some such properties which are cheap today, they can be expensive tomorrow. So don't delay your decisions, okay? Be quick.
This is the combi boiler device, and it is. I have to say that not each property has the combi boiler device, but this one has the combi boiler device.
And combi boiler device is like kind of a geyser that helps to make your house warm, water warm. So this is the properties of combi boiler device.
When we reach this section, living room section of the property is welcoming us. When I look the lighting system, there is classical and LED lighting systems are available, but the construction company didn't put the LEDs, but there's electricity. When you decide to buy this property, you should put your own LEDs on the edge. And this is corner property. We have two angles from here and from directly in front of us. We have sea view and Green Valley view too.
So the best option for you is to come and see for yourself. We are now trying to make our videos better, more professional. We try to show you the best things, but still you should come and see for yourself.
Reality is always better than the videos.
I hope guys you enjoyed this video. So if you want to know more details and if you want to buy these apartments, you can contact my friend Mr Hakan. His YouTube channel name is in the description of the video, and you can also find the price details of these apartments in the description of the video. So don't forget to check, and for more details contact us. The phone number is also in the video description. So see you soon with another nice project. Till then, take care, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel so we can make more and more videos, and we can show you more videos like these kind of projects. Till then, take care. Shor out.